Hello for the kids on school holidays. Looking forward to at least some fine weather. Hang in there. One more rough day, then things will quieten down. We are looking much better for the weekend. But still, of course, signs across many parts of the country. Just what we've seen, the deluge across parts of the south and the west. Still a bit more in the way of rough weather to come. Even some rainbows, more showery weather conditions for some of us. And looking fine down to the far south as the leftovers of that area of low pressure start to ease away. But take a look at the satellite. Swirling thing there. The engine room, the centre of the low, that is more or less playing the game. That is driving everything. Notice how the lumps of yellow and orange work themselves in as the band of rain. And we've had some decent rain again, this time across parts of the north hand. That moving through. But then notice by the end of it, it just goes boom, and it just gets bigger. That shows the engine room, the upper low, moving in and bringing all the clouds to life. That low there will be replaced by another low. It'll have a bit of a sting in the tail as we run through the next 24 hours to central and eastern parts of the country. See the swirly winds right there to the east of the upper south hand. All the watches and warnings, the yellow boxes there, and of course one particular one from really northern parts of Canterbury, southern parts of Marlborough, inland snow down to 300 to 500 metres, if you can believe it, as that low works in, a bit like a shoom, straight in. Watch what happens over the course of the night. So the low starts to deepen and develop right there. You get the southerly really bring in, and it just sucks it in like a lawnmower string. Shoom, off it goes. That's southerly severe gales. And notice that blob of white there, inland areas there. That could be a zone of snow, inland parts of Canterbury, perhaps as low as 300 to 500 metres. The strong winds, that area of persistent rain, that'll work through Rimatucker and maybe even the Desert Road into the afternoon. Just heads up for some snow, all clearing away, but strong to severe gales up the east coast. Further west, further south, the day is much quieter and there is high pressure waiting in the wings. Those seas as well, 5 to potentially 7 metre combined waves going through the course of the afternoon into the night. Those high tides from Wellington coast there around about midday and midnight, watch for those. So to the far north, you just got some showers to work in on that trough, tending to ease away as the centre, the engine room moves through. There'll be some bright weather, more so into the afternoon. Same sort of thing for Auckland, some showers, the odd one being heavy. The odd one might have a bit of hail too, 14 degrees. Similar for Hamilton too, more so first part of the day, some showers, odd heavy one, 13 degrees. Bay of Plenty to the central plateau. Those gusty winds will really get going. Showers here and there, more persistent towards the central plateau, Tamarunui in particular into the morning. 11 degrees, the best we can do for you. 14 for Tauranga as well. Looking further along to the east coast, this is where we really see the strong winds work in. Those gusty winds heads up with those strong to the southwesterlies through the course of the day. On to the west coast, you really feel it through the course of the day. Further south, notice that zone of wet weather sliding in. Strong gusty winds there, 12 falling in. Wellington, it's going to be a rough one at the bus stop. You start the day, strong to severe gales working through. 9 degrees, that does ease by the evening. Bear in mind those swells as well. And the snow to inland parts of the Kaikoras all the way down to northern parts of Canterbury. Elsewhere you see the spells of rain. Snow level 500 metres. And for Christchurch, rain heavy at times, 8 degrees for you. That is it. That'll be certainly easing by the time we go to the afternoon. West coast is fine. East coast blustery showers, strong winds. First part of the day easing away. Queenstown, quieter looking day. 7 degrees. It's a cool one. Heads up for some frosty nights to come, and to the far south. All looking fine. Just 1 or 2 showers. A few odd ones. That's it. Into the far south. And for Dunedin, couple of showers. 8 degrees. But that's it. Let's get the nasty weather out of the way. How about some high pressure? Finally going to build in, but that sets the scenes for those overnight frosts. -5s, -7s. Getting into the weekend, we'll have more of this. That's the area of high pressure, but heads up for a low, maybe late weekend into the far north. But like I said, we'll get to the weekend. We'll salvage some school holidays with fine weather.
Kia ora, Dan. Thank you very much.